Good afternoon from Grand Family Farm. Today we're having a wedding. My son Doc there in the black hat is getting married, and him and his brother are setting up the altar, and over on the other side his older brother Hank is setting up the power for the PA system. So that's what we're doing today. We spent a lot of time trying to get this lawn looking good, and it seems to be all ready as best it's going to be. So hopefully it doesn't rain on us. But anyway, that's what we're doing today. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Smile! Smile like you're not gonna die, dog.
Yeah, tickler.
It's a guitar.
These are the hands that will bind your life together with God's guidance and His love, support, encourage, and with His blessing will unite you as one. Under the eyes of God, Cameron, do you take Kodye to be your lawfully wedded wife? Do you promise to support her completely and love her unconditionally, so long as you both shall live?
I do.
Under the eyes of God, Kodye, do you take Cameron to be your lawfully wedded husband? Do you promise to support him completely and love him unconditionally, so long as you both shall live?
I do.
By the power invested in me by the state of Washington and by the Universal Life Church, I pronounce you, Cameron and Kodye, as husband and wife, lawfully wed before God. Cameron, you may now, what? Kiss the bride? Whoa. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my great honor and privilege and officially present you Mr. and Mrs. Graham.
We have been through some hard times together, but we were always there for each other. You have been a great brother and a good friend. I'm glad you and Kodye met. Now you can be a great husband to her and make a good dad to your future kids. Kodye, you're an amazing woman. I think you and Doc are meant to be. You guys have a long life ahead of you. You guys, I'm proud to have you as my sister now and invite you to this family. Then to end things off, I'm going to read from the good book of Sam Hunt. Got lips like honey, so thick and so sweet. Ain't no curves like hers on the downtown streets.
For those who don't know me, I am Christina, one of Kodye's older sisters. And Kodye, I might cry. It's been a pleasure to see you grow into the woman that you have. And I'm so excited for you and Cameron and all the things that you're going to do in your lives together. And here's just to you. Welcome to the family. And yeah, may you guys have many good adventures. I don't know if that was good. I'm sorry, guys. But you're crying over here and I don't want to say too much.
Cheers!
Cheers to Dr. Kodye. Cheers.
Cheers!
What? Just the top or the bottom one? Yeah, just the bottom one. The bottom. Just the bottom.
Alright,
Shit.
I